When I was in middle school, I heard a song that changed my life. This song let me know that nothing would last forever and that people often change their mind. The song exemplified the grudge that one holds when people don't support you early on and how the successful become resentful of those non-believers. The name of the song was Back Then by Mike Jones. Link in the description. Mike Jones was so poetic and profound when he delivered the lyrics, "Back then they didn't want me, now I'm hot and they all on me." Words to live by, and these lyrics remind me of the stock market. To buy and sell at the right time in the stock market, you need to understand the concept of support and resistance. Let's look at a company called Palantir. Palantir was listed on the market on 9/30/2020 for $10 per share. Back then, many people didn't invest in the stock at the support level. Now, it's hot and trading for $61 per share. It's harder to get into position and make big money off of the stock because it takes time to rise to a 600% profit. Those who invested in accumulated shares at the support level, at the bottom, before the hype, have benefited the most now that the stock has blown up. Once the stock is at the top and is struggling to move up higher, we call this resistance. The new prices are resisting the new buyers. Why, you ask? Because the buyers who invested at the support level have become sellers in the market and are taking their profits. They are selling their shares to all of the bandwagon fans who have jumped on the bandwagon now that the stock is hot. This is called the distribution phase. How do you know if a stock is at the support level or the resistance level? You have to learn how to read the charts. To the naked eye, the chart is just a line going up and down from left to right. But if you look a little closer, you will notice that it is bouncing between a floor and a ceiling. If you don't see it, draw a line across the top points of the chart and a line across the bottom points of the chart. Do you see it now? The bottom line is the support level and the top line is the resistance level. When the stock hits the bottom line and looks to be turning around, this is the buy zone. When the stock hits the top line, this is the sell zone. However, when a stock breaks through the floor becomes the ceiling, or in other words, support becomes resistance, and vice versa. When the stock breaks through the ceiling becomes the new floor, or in other words, the resistance level becomes the new support level. The stock market is a game between the believers and the non-believers, the day ones and the bandwagon fans, the accumulators and the distributors, the buyers and the sellers, the support and the resistance. Peace and love.